All right, everybody. The pinup contest is over. The burnouts are over. So I'm gonna go get the drone and send it up in the air, and I'm gonna have to follow it around a little bit because of the trees around here, but the wind seems like it's calmed down enough to do it. So we'll give it a shot. So stay tuned.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition.
You shouldn't have to sell your soul in black and white. They really, really ought to know those one-track minds who took you for a working boy. Kiss them goodbye. You shouldn't have to jump the door. Let it all out. These are the things I can do without. Come on, I'm talking to you. Come on. Let it all out. These are the things I can do without. Come on, I'm talking to you. Come on. Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every breath you take and every move you.
Well, everybody, this has been a great show. It's not over yet. I'm going to walk around and kind of take a look at things for myself because, you know, I've been concentrating on the video so much, I don't really get a chance to look at the stuff myself. So that's what I'm going to do now is walk around and look at everything for myself. They're doing some raffling stuff right now, but we will catch you guys in a few. Screen.
Every step you take, I'll be watching you.
Boom.
Cleaned house. Got a new pair of shoes.
Sham
Got
wow.
a new pair of shoes.
Sham wow.
Woo. Cereal pancakes, man.
See ya. Watching a couple leave before I take off. Been a great show as usual. So, I mean, well, I say as usual. I haven't been out here for a couple years, but great show as usual. They're doing awards now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this opportunity to slide on down and get on out of here. I have to find out what's going with the exit. I guess somebody driving out of here smacked a natural gas line. So they've got the regular exit locked off, but there's some way around it. So we'll find our way out. So we will catch you guys on the flip side. Thanks for watching Go for Rider videos, and well, I'm always gonna say the party starts here, but that's my thing. So little guy on 2 feet. I'll catch you on the flip side. Digger is out. See ya.